All right, welcome back, everyone. It's Albert Lebel, and I've got a challenge lock set up in the vise by Leon's Lockpad, the one and only Leon's Lockpad. Great guy, by the way. If you're not already on his channel, I suggest you get over there because really good guy. This one's called Easy Now, as it shows on the key tag right here. Now you can apparently this probably was wrapped up a little more than it is now, but that's how I got it. Easy Now on the key tag. Challenge lock called Easy Now. But any hoodles, I wanted to say this is a good example. I've said it before. Pick selection. I've picked on this lock a couple of times, and apparently I kept oversetting something because I tend to keep using the same picks. Like the Peterson Gem, for example, is one of my favorite picks. I think it's one of the best picks ever made. The Gem is a good name for it. But like I said, I tend to keep using the same picks. And I kept oversetting this thing, apparently. And then I picked up this, well, I tried a couple different ones. And then I picked up this Sparrows. It's one of the picks from the Monstrum XXL. Get a close-up on that. And I just showed this lock, this pick, and it just fell open. No, not that easy, but really, pick selection, man. I know, like I said, I tend to keep using the same picks, and it's just absurd. Another thing I want to say real quick, let's see if I can get the camera to show it. Added a couple people, like I said I would. Starry Lock, Monkey Lock picture down here. Bird 718, I just talking to him tonight, or conversing with him anyways, messaging with him. Bird 718, so I got you on there, guys. So, get back to the lock. Bada boom, bada bing. Yeah, like I said, man, I was getting just scratching my head on this thing. Apparently just oversetting, and finally I picked up the right pick and got the damn thing open. So let's go with top of keyway is my favorite. Of course, on this one you could probably get away with bottom of the keyway because you got this ledge up here you're picking off of, but you know, I only use bottom if I really have to, because I don't use it enough to be good at it. It does change, I think it changes the feel quite a bit. So, alright, enough blabbing, let's get to picking. Going in to the back. Maybe. Okay, a little tiny click. Like I said, the trick is trying not to overset it. I hope that wasn't one. Can't get the pick in there now. Alright, let me leave that one alone. Let's try coming out. Yeah, I think I overset already. Yep, overset. See? Even with that one. Alright, let's do it again. Okay, got a little bit of a turn on that one. Counter on one. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Overset. Let it drop. Huh. Something's got me stumped here. Five. There we go. Counter rotation. Oh, overset. I'll be damned. Telling you. Boom. There we go. See that? And when I kept using the wrong picks, I was doing that for twice that long, I'm telling you. Pick selection. Big time. All right, we got her. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Get the camera backed out. Bada boom, bada bing. And it's always nice to get one of Leon's locks open, because I'll tell you what, man, I've had a couple of his that just sent me for a loop. You sit there and just thinking, does this lock really work? Golly. All right, I'm good in the camera. We're good enough. All right, so we're very much open. It's not a very deep fall set or nothing. I guess we can go ahead and, that key's not that mummified. I'm sure we can get into that without too much trouble. Well, I say that. I may have spoke too soon here. There we go. Yep. Nice. Nice, nice. Works like butter. Wouldn't expect no less from Leon. All right. Now that clip, you can tell someone's beat that up pretty good. Let's see. Maybe we can just, ooh. Might have to rotate it over there and push it out. There we go. I will, if I don't have another one of these, Leon, I will at least flatten this and fix it before I send it back out. All right. Bada boom, bada bing, baby. It's got one of them funky backs, too, so we're definitely going to shim that bad boy. Yeah, buddy. All right. Little 5-pinner. The humble 5-pinner. And maybe that's why I got this one open, too. Some of his locks, I'm telling you, they're real. And this one was tough, too. I'm just saying, some of them are real bad. Or real good, rather. Looks like some kind of, wow. That's a trippy looking key pin in number 2. Same thing in number 4 there. Not sure why he did that around the bottom of them. We'll get a close-up on that. That's a trip. I've never done anything like that on the bottom of the pins. Okay, get some eyes on here. And we've got, yeah, there's something in there. Looks like threading. 1, 2, 4, and 5, but it's really, really fine. Golly, I don't even know if the camera's going to get that. That's really, yeah, I don't know if that'll show or not. It's real fine. And what'd I say? 1, 2, 4, and 5. All right, going upstairs. I know I used a shim. There it is. All right. Let's see what we got up top. Nice. Spool in number 2. Standard in 3. Spool in number 4. Spool in number 5. Now these spools look like standard issue, but he may have made them because he makes some really good pins. So no mods up top. You would have really had to do some damage to get those out. All right, let's see what we got. This was called Easy Now by Leon's Lockpad. Thank you so much, Leon, for pinning this one up and all the rest you pin up, because I know you contribute a hell of a lot to this community, so thank you very much. Really, really awesome. All right. I really want to get a good shot because I want to show you what I was talking about. Damn, sorry about that. These key pins. Look, we got a standard in 1, but he's got this like serrated top up here, but he also did something here on the bottom. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure what that would do. Leon, you watch this video, let me know, because I've never tried doing that. I don't know what that would do. I really don't. And I don't mean nothing bad or anything like that about it. I'm curious. I don't know what that would do at the bottom there. 3 is a standard, and again, we got the same thing on 4, but this top of this thing is sharp right here. Literally, it's like a blade. And again, we got that same thing at the bottom here. I'm really curious about that. And then I'd call this kind of a spool because it's going to act like one on the top of key pin number 5. Drivers, we got this really neat looking, I guess we can call that, I don't know, wide serration. Spool in number 2, standard in 3, spool in 4 and 5. So yeah, Leon, you see this, let me know what this would do right here, because I am curious. And heck, if it does something cool, maybe I'll borrow that idea. All right, thank y'all so much for watching. Please comment. I love your comments, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, don't. All right, thank y'all so much. Big Al signing out. Oh yeah, TGIF.